8 Health Benefits of Drinking Okra Water. Okra water is simply the liquid obtained by soaking sliced okra pods in water overnight. This process allows the beneficial nutrients and compounds from the okra to seep into the water, creating a nutrient-rich beverage that is easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Here are 8 health benefits of drinking okra water. 1. Boosts immune system. Okra water is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and protect your body against harmful pathogens. Strengthen your body's defense with a refreshing glass of okra water. 2. Supports digestive health. Drinking okra water can help improve digestion due to its high fiber content. Fiber promotes a healthy digestive system by aiding in bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. 3. Manages blood sugar levels. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, okra water can be a natural remedy. Studies suggest that okra may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. 4. Rich in nutrients. Okra water is a nutritional powerhouse, containing essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients play a vital role in supporting overall health and well-being. 5. Supports weight management. If you're looking to shed some pounds, okra water can be a great addition to your weight loss journey. Its low-calorie content and high fiber make it a filling drink that can help you feel satisfied and curb cravings. 6. Improves skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in okra water can contribute to healthier skin by promoting collagen production and fighting free radicals. Free radicals can damage skin cells, proteins, and DNA through oxidative stress, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, sagging, and uneven pigmentation. 7. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the body's immune response to an irritant, which can be caused by pathogens, external injuries, or the effects of chemicals or radiation, leading to symptoms like redness, heat, swelling, pain, and loss of function. Okra water contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. 8. Hydrates and refreshes. Last but not least, okra water is a hydrating and refreshing beverage that can quench your thirst while providing a host of health benefits. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining overall health, as water plays a vital role in various bodily functions such as regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, aiding digestion, and supporting organ function. From boosting your immune system to supporting digestion and improving skin health, this simple yet potent drink deserves a spot in your daily routine. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.